Welcome to the future of manufacturing. Today, we are diving into the incredible world of 5-axis laser texturing on trolley tire molds, brought to you by Ambay Etching process, leaders in precision and innovation. So, what is 5-axis laser texturing? It's a state-of-the-art technique where lasers create detailed surface patterns with mind-blowing precision. Unlike older methods, this process allows the laser to move in 5 directions at once, making it perfect for complex 3D shapes like trolley tire molds. Let's talk benefits. Unmatched precision, whether it's ribs, grooves, or custom designs, the results are flawless. Enhanced durability, because it's a non-contact process, the molds last longer. Eco-friendly, it reduces the need for harsh chemicals, making it better for the environment. At Ambay Etching process, we combine cutting-edge technology with years of expertise to deliver outstanding results. Whether you are looking for efficiency, performance, or sustainability, we've got you covered. Thanks to laser texturing, the final product is not just durable but also performs better with superior grip and wear resistance. Perfect for a variety of applications. Ready to transform your manufacturing process? Contact Ambay Etching process today and let's shape the future together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more innovations.